Oh yeah, yeah. Get some. What? No internet? Oh, somebody's gone and taken my internet. No connection. Oh, that just gets me going. Oh, whoever said video games causes violence was completely wrong. It's lag and a lack of internet that really gets you going. All right, time to go get me some internet. All right, I'm gonna need some supplies. Yep, this'll do. That one will do. I don't think that's enough. I need more. Oh, we're into the emergency supplies now. I need that. Need something to carry the ammo. Speaking of ammo, we need ammo. Huh. We need all the ammo. Huh. Note to self, fix drawer. Oh, that's the stuff. This is my rifle, this is my gun. This is the stock. Trigger lock? What is this? Canada? Who puts it? That's a key trigger lock. I don't have keys. Ugh. I don't know where the key for that trigger lock is. Next gun. This one's out of the way. Time for this one. Now we're talking. Internet time. Need more than one rifle. Oh, sweet mama. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Oh, sweet mama. What? No magazine? What is this, Canada? Oh, I'm gonna have to one-gun this. Stupid Canadians. Not keeping their firearms loaded. Trigger locking their shit. Do you know what doesn't require a trigger lock in Canada? Oh yeah. I'm talking compound bows. What? Only 6 arrows? What is this, Canada? This is my rifle, this is my gun, this is for fighting, this is for targets. It's a sport bow. It's not gonna be useful in a zombie apocalypse for internet. What am I thinking? Back to one gun. Goddamn Canadians. If I'm one-gunning this, I gotta put this back. Gotta put this back. Gotta put this back. Oh, wrong drawer. Gotta reopen that drawer. Gotta put this back. One box of heavy field load 25 shells. This'll have to do to get me some internet. Remember kids, when you're hunting internet, proper support on your backpack is essential. If you have too much weight distributed too low on your body, it's going to pull your back and you're not going to be able to carry the right amount of ammo for the right amount of distance to get you some internet. Let's go get some internet. Oh, it was just a temporary glitch. It's okay, I see the Wi-Fi again. I guess I'll put it back.